My skincare journey began when I was 8 years old. I used to get all these rashes. I begged my mom to take me to the dermatologist, and then I really got into mixing masks from my friends. That's kind of where it sort of started. I didn't know this was what I was supposed to do, but it literally changed everything for me. I'm Shani Darden. I'm an esthetician in Los Angeles and the founder of Shani Darden Skincare. My biological father is Black and my mother is white. When they got a divorce, my mom met my stepfather, who is white. It was just like this whole new world moving in with a completely white family. You couldn't even find Black hair products where I grew up. It was like such a struggle. So my hair was an issue for me. I didn't really even know how to take care of it at all. My stepfather would drive me to get my hair extensions, and he would sit for hours and hours while I got my hair done. Black people would say that I was trying to be white, and my white friends would say, you're not really Black. It's a really, really small town. I was bullied a lot. And it was these 3 girls, so I'd have to stay at school until they left. I never really fit in because there was so much racism. When I had the opportunity to leave, I left right away. When I moved to Los Angeles, I went to school to be an esthetician. Because I worked for a dermatologist right after school, that's where I learned everything. I got to learn about all different skin conditions. My friend said, why don't you build something in the back of your house because it's more private and people will want to come. So I started seeing people in the back of my house. Retinol Reform was my first product. I had all of my clients test it until I got it right. I remember the first package, I actually put all the stickers on. Me and my husband were up for 2 nights straight shipping packages from my bedroom. And it just got so much bigger than I had planned. After about 5 years working from the back of my home, I have a studio in Beverly Hills. I didn't start with investors. I didn't come from any money at all, but I really believed in it and I worked really, really hard. I'm just proud to be a Black founder. Sephora is like one of the biggest beauty retailers. I've learned so much from working with Sephora. The last Sephora that I was at, I got to eavesdrop in on a class on all of the products that were out. They knew the percentage of retinol in my product. I thought it was really amazing how much education they give everyone that works there. I used to work in a spa where we sold products, so I love giving people information. It helps them be more connected with the brand. Walking into the store, you see different race, different gender. I didn't have that growing up. I think it's so important for the customer coming in to be able to see themselves. It's been a hard journey for Black women to be seen in the beauty space. I hope anyone hearing my story knows that you can do it. You just got to keep pushing and stay strong.